Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason Signal, the private messenger application, is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never, again, just one reason why something like this ends up happening. The number one thing I'd recommend doing here as a starting off thing is to go through and just make sure that you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection and or some sort of internet connection. That is usually one of the easiest ways to go ahead and kind of fix this problem. So try going through and try essentially clicking into your settings application and try making sure that you're connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection or some Bluetooth connection, something like that. Those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. So that is kind of the first starting point, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. So try going through, try, getting into that and try fixing it that way. If that's not working, what I'd also recommend doing is to try going through inside of your App Store or your Google Play Store, and I'd recommend try to go through and, update the application. So search up the application just like this, and what I'd recommend doing is to go through and basically try giving it access to it and try, giving it a, updating it. That might be the other thing you might want to try doing too. If that's not working, the other thing to remember here is that sometimes you might just have to go ahead and see if Signal is down. And a website like downdetector.com, like this one, will basically tell us what's up and what's down. And Down Detector, basically right now today, there's been like a lot of things that are down. So if you go in here, you might be able to see Signal. If Signal is down, if Signal is on here and it's spiked up like all these other ones, you're probably just going to have to kind of wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.